Pat Albert will be demonstrating the jet-assisted takeoff capability of the C-130, commonly referred to as JATO. 8 solid fuel rockets, 4 mounted on each side of the aircraft, provide 8,000 pounds of thrust for takeoffs from short or unimproved runways. These rocket models were designed for one-time usage and can either be jettisoned from the aircraft in flight or removed after landing.
There he goes.
On the runway from the right, Pat Albert is rolling. They'll accelerate to 140 miles per hour and simultaneously fire the JATO bottles and execute a high-performance climb with the aircraft. Hercules, built by the Lockheed Aircraft Company, was first produced in 1950.